There's a big boy right there. See, he does have colors. I have a hive where it's all black. Their butts are all black. I guess it's just genetics. Don't go near my shorts. Don't go near my shorts, girls. Please. Yeah, that's another male. Look how stripy he is. That's crazy. Well, this is officially my weakest hive I actually have. Out of all my dozens of beehives, this is actually my weakest hive. It doesn't look weak, but when I go back, it's only one box deep. Really, it's 2 boxes deep. There's another box here, but this is a small box. This was a box I was supposed to harvest from, and it looks like they haven't even finished it. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the queen excluder right here, taking it out of the hive because it was sitting right here. So the queen couldn't come up into that box to lay eggs. It was just bees making honey. And I'm just combining it together now because I'm realizing I'm not going to get anything out of these bees. This is a new hive anyways, a new colony. So hopefully they make it through the winter, and then next spring they can give me lots of honey. There's quite a lot of bees in here in the bottom box. Trying to see if I can find the queen, but I don't think that she'd be chilling near the top.